Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Random by A. My name is Aurelia, but you can call me R. Usually on my channel I'm reviewing sneakers and makeup, but today I have slightly different video because we're going to unbox iPhone 13 in the pink colorway. So if you're interested, look closer in this iPhone, and I'm going to compare to two other iPhones, and maybe that will help you decide if you need to this new iPhone. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. So before we start this unboxing, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below what are your thoughts about this new iPhone. So let me know in the comments down below. So without further ado, let's go and jump into the video. This iPhone was released on September 24th. Recently I'm using iPhone XR, and actually I don't have any complaints. Actually I really love this phone and it's still in really good condition. Main idea why I decided to get a new phone, because I plan to do sneakers app investigation video series. So if you're into sneakers, keep eye on my channel for this new video series. This year iPhone released iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 30 Pro Max. And this iPhone 30 comes in the 5 different colorways. Like I mentioned, I'm now using an iPhone XR, and I have this beautiful coral color. Actually, I absolutely love this color. I was a little bit sad that this year they didn't have those really fun colors, because like this, I'm not sure if you would be able to see on the camera. Maybe when I hold it a little bit further away, you can see that it's a pink, but it's not in your face. And this time I got in 256 gigabytes because I have in like 128 now. I'll be honest, for me sometimes it's not enough. So okay, stop talking and let's go and open this phone. This year, like, those boxes are really thin, like it's like usual. It says iPhone on both sides and Apple logo and show color. What's the difference? This year they didn't wrap in this plastic, they just have those little two tabs where you just feel. Okay, let's go and finally open. One and two. And finally this moment. Wow, actually this looks really pretty. Oh, maybe you can see on the camera. It's like this little slightly washed, really beautiful pink color. It's nothing like too much in your face. Let's grab it. I'm usually pretty skeptical about new iPhones. I'm not sure if you need to change every year, but like this feels like really nice and different. This one's like, let's take a look. So if they say that like this year they made slightly smaller notch on the sides, it's like in this really pretty, almost rose gold but slightly rosier. I think so Apple logo this time is like slightly bigger. And what they changed from iPhone 12, if like cameras was vertical, they put diagonally. That's the first look. Actually it's a really pretty phone.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
Let's look what we got in the box. And I think so they remove like those charging blocks. They just giving you a cable. And of course, this kind of needle to help you with your SIM card. Instructions. Let's go actually and take a look from just a look side by side. Apple 12, Apple 13. First obvious thing is like cameras, those vertical and diagonal. Pixel logos is the same size, maybe slightly thicker when you would see. Yeah, like this one is like slimmer, but they kind of the same size. Yeah, and when you hold those two, like feels exactly the same, but like, yeah, this one's a bit different, I would say, from my old one. Like this may be like more comfortable since like doesn't have like those kind of rounded edges. It's like easier to get it. It's time to turn on. Oh, look at that. Different introduction. It's like in a different languages. Then you need to choose your language, region, and they have this that you could like easily move your data from your old phone to new one. Let's go. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. It will take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. And of course there's like data and privacy, Face ID. Then you can choose few options for your password. There's like few options: restore from iCloud, from Mac, transfer directly from phone, move data from Android, and don't transfer. Choose direct from iPhone. Okay, then you're getting this message to your other phone. It shows that you need to scan your new one. And there's two options from iCloud and transfer from phone. This time they made like really convenient. Agree with terms and conditions. Bring up. Here as well. Finish. Start transferring data. Okay, we can compare to screens. iPhone 13 looks slightly brighter now when you look. I'm not sure if you would be able to compare on the camera. They just have like slightly more room all around the screen. Like this one's have, but like not that much. If you compare to iPhone 12, I think so they look like really similar. To brightness. From the screen wide, I don't think so that like you would see significant difference between those two. Let's wait until all data going to get transferred.
One eternity later.
Look like that transfer complete, but now this kind of restart. Look like everything start going to install. Let's look identical. They even like use my background. I don't know why at the same time they look different. Okay, and it says your Apple ID being used. Okay, yeah, it's so funny they use even like pictures now the same. Let's go and compare the cameras. I'm going to take 3 the same pictures and put it on the screen, you know, with like new iPhone 13, iPhone 12 and iPhone XR.
A few inches later.
Actually, even when I compare like iPhone 12 and 13, maybe there is slight difference. Pictures on iPhone 12 is like a little bit warmer, and this one's like a little bit, I don't know, more vibrant. It's still not bad than this one. iPhone 13 maybe the best picture, but iPhone 12 have this warm undertone for my opinion. Actually, I still really like XR as well. So let's compare selfies. Oh, there's like this zoom button. where you can kind of tap and it's kind of zoom in, zoom out. That's really cool. And again, I'm going to put all pictures on the screen. And I would say on the iPhone 13 it's a little bit brighter, more natural. On iPhone 12 it's having like this warm undertone, and like maybe the worse is on my old one because you can't see details on my old wrinkles, but I'm like pictures the most washed out. They ask you set up your, and that's a new thing. You know, maybe I need to take a more look at what's the differences, but like now maybe I'm going to choose setup later and use what they offer kind of default. Actually, when I turn on, ooh, look at me, that's me. You can see difference, at least me, right away. Look, that's my puppy, Gypsy. Hi. So you can see they have like this like swan kind of zoom out. Oh, and there's like this new cinematic kind of mode. You can like choose objects where everything is like blurred besides like Gypsy at this moment. Okay, and then you can tap and it's like blurring out. I think so. That's a really cool feature. So when I got a few accessories for my phone, of course I got screen protector. That's a lifesaver for me. I use on this phone as well, so you will be able to see. Then I have like really crusty looking cover, but this one's lifesaver as well. That's why actually I got the same one, and I like kind of those translucent, because you know when you're getting like those nice colors, you won't see those colors, you don't want kind of hide. So I use this, and like I use the same brand, it's like Spec, I think so, for my last few phones. I think so, like they like really nice, good. I like that it's have like this higher kind of cover. When you drop your phone like this, it's kind of save your screen. And of course on this you can see I have like this pocket. Like those pockets is a lifesaver for my opinion. When you need to have your ID, when you need to have your cards. As always I say, if I have my phone, I have my card, my ID, everything I need. Let's go and install my accessories. After all, I think so if you have iPhone 12, I'm not sure if it's necessary to get your new phone. Yeah, like you know, there's like a slightly updated camera, different look, you know, different colors. But I think so nothing major, and you know, you're going to get like a lot of updates with new iOS. So yeah, but like if you have like older phone, I think so mostly older iPhones, like after like 3-4 years they start like kind of get laggy. Maybe then, you know, it's worth to upgraded camera if you really need it. It's not my main priority. It's still always nice to get a new phone, especially, I think so Apple doing really good job with, they make something special about those phones, like feels really luxurious. My final thoughts is like, if you have a new iPhone 12, I would save money and wait next couple of years. But if you have like me, 3 years old, it's definitely worth to get a new phone. That's my thoughts on this phone. Let me know in the comments down below if you consider to get, maybe you already got your phone. What are your thoughts? Which one all of those 4 options you think is worth to get it? Let me know in the comments down below. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video and spending time with me. If you would like to see more of my content, I'm going to put a couple videos right here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!